Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started and tap OK. Then choose LED keyboard over here by tapping on the switcher, click OK again and tap on Input Options. Choose LED keyboard one more time, and now you can pick theme that you like the best, for example that one. Close the nut. And now all you need to do is click Download Theme. When I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!